So my answer for you, whether it's anxiety or depression or anger or frustration, shame, blame, guilt, or depression, is to meditate. The subject is anxiety and depression, and it is my contention that everyone suffers from anxiety and depression, that everyone goes back and forth, and that everybody's bipolar. That is my contention. So why do I say that? When you're in charge, when you're in control, and everything is going well, you get lazy and complacent. And you're like, I got this. It's no big deal. I don't have to work that hard to do that. That is a form of depression. Anxiety is, oh my God, I might not do it right. I might mess it up. What if they think I'm, And so everybody goes back and forth between those two states every day. Now, when that prevents you from getting out of bed, when that prevents you from getting clean clothes, when that prevents you from eating properly, when you can't pay your bills and you get thrown out of your house, that is pathology. That's when it's overwhelming. But little minor things, bad parenting skills. Why did I want to have this baby? Why did I yell at my kid? My kid is just a kid. Why am I losing it and yelling at my kid? Why am I yelling at my boyfriend? He's just being who he is. So what if he drops his underwear on the floor? Why am I yelling? So that's why I say we flip back and forth from different emotional states. And it is these emotional states that we make decisions. And when you're in an emotional state, whether it's anxiety or depression, your decisions are not so good. So, what can we do to deal with anxiety and depression? We can meditate. We can listen to our heart. We can listen to our breath. So if we put ourselves in a relaxed emotional state with no nervous tension, and then we make our decisions, everything is smooth and easy. So you've heard the expression, I'll sleep on it and get back to you in the morning. I'm going to have a talk with the Father. Now, Einstein said whenever he got stuck with a problem, he would go to sleep. And when he would woke up, boop, the answer was there. Ford, who invented the factory making cars, would have a problem. He would sleep on it. Yeah, the guys were pretty smart. But it was the innate intelligence of when they were in theta state, when their brains literally slowed down 1 to 3 cycles per second. That's when the understanding, that's when the answers came. So my answer for you, whether it's anxiety or depression or anger or frustration, shame, blame, guilt, or depression, is to meditate. Take 10 deep breaths. Drink a glass of water. Look out the window. Look at the ocean. Look at a picture. And calm and relax yourself. And then say, what is it that I want to accomplish? What is it that will work for my highest and best good? And when you can ask that question and then be silent and wait for the answer, then you've arrived. So my job is to put you on the path of spiritual harmony, to start you and to guide you, not to lead you, not to teach you, but just to keep you in your own path of self-discovery. So, thank you for allowing me to share my wisdom. I'm Dr. George Love for the Blue Dragon Qigong Academy.